But this weekend, of course, Easter is upon us, and least you forget, if you're driving through Euclid and you come upon this, this is Jelly Beanville on Zeeman Avenue. And for decades, really, this house has been covered top to bottom with these decorations. And I gotta say, I kind of love it.
I love it too. It's stepping
sure
outside.
Neighbors are a little,
well, Depends on if it plays music or not. That's really the big question. But I'll tell you, hey, at least it's not covered in snow too, Sarah. That's very
true.
festive,
Yeah,
right?
that could make it a lot worse. I mean, we need that bright colors because we are certainly not getting any brightness, are we?
We are not getting any brightness. It was good to see the sun this afternoon and evening, if only for a little stretch. That's right. We have to really soak it in. Let's just say that. So, you know what? Let's start with the good news in the forecast, shall we? We're going to have a real excellent I spelled excellent wrong. Excellent start to your Saturday. In fact, it's cold out there now. It's going to be cold tomorrow morning. But look at this. We start the day with sunshine, a lot of Easter egg hunts tomorrow morning, and we're looking good tomorrow morning. It's really the tale of two different parts of the day. Morning's good. In fact, look how warm we get. We're all the way up into the 50s by lunchtime. How about that? Great start to the day. By afternoon, things start to change, though. More on that in a second, but we're just going to give it to you, your Easter weekend forecast. Tomorrow, we start nice, we increase those clouds, and then rain and windy late. It'll be a much different scene tomorrow evening around here. And then Sunday, kind of the flip-flop. We go back to the cold again. I think Sunday, Easter Sunday, is going to be pretty much a carbon copy of what you saw today. Maybe some morning snow, and then clearing throughout the day, breezy and not getting much above 40. But the bunny will be happy. That's some good news. So the big picture, what's going on tomorrow? Well, there's a front that went by and brought us our coating of snow this morning. We've got high pressure in place right now, and off to the west, there's a pretty dynamic storm system. This has some punch to it. In fact, it's an Alberta Clipper, believe it or not. We're still talking about that, but this one has some energy. It was back in areas of Montana here over the last few hours. It is racing down to the south and the east. You can see heavy snow from Bismarck over towards areas near Minneapolis, north of town. It's rain on the southern end, but there's a lot of wind with this as well. And look at the path it's going to take. Yep, it's going to slide to the north, so we don't have to worry about the heavy snow with this, but it's going to be a wind machine for us. And yeah, that area in red, that's a blizzard warning for areas of the Dakotas, but they get that all the way through, I think, 4th of July as it looks right now. But look at the wind. These are your wind fields. It starts pretty calm tomorrow morning, but as we go throughout the day, as this low pressure races through the Great Lakes, winds are going to gust for a good 6 to 8 hour period, and they could gust over 40 miles per hour at times. So tomorrow afternoon and evening is when we're expecting those wind gusts, and then it's like nothing happened. This very fast moving weather system, everything moves in and out very quickly. So let's go hour by hour. Tomorrow morning, out the door. Who are we kidding? Probably not out the door at 10. Let's forward it to 11 here, but we're going to be in the 40s, clear skies. Clouds thicken up, though, as we go into Saturday afternoon. But look at those temperatures. It'll be breezy, but it'll be mild. We should make it up into the low, even mid-50s across all of northern Ohio, even up to the lakeshore. And you can see we start to kind of scatter those showers around during the afternoon. I don't think there'll be any organized rain during the day tomorrow until tomorrow evening. This is a cold front. When you have a strong front like this, you tend to get this organized, maybe 10 to 15 minute downpour that has some real strong winds with it. So we'll have to keep an eye on this. I'll be here tomorrow night. Mike will be here tomorrow morning, keeping you updated on that. But you can see the timing tomorrow evening. And then our temperatures crash after that. We're back down in the 20s for your Easter sunrise services. Have a little bit of lake effect flurry action, but overall much of Sunday should be quiet as we just usher in colder conditions. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. You can see that cold day on Easter Sunday, but then a dynamic system again next week. Monday, some snow chances just south of the area. We'll have to keep an eye on that, but then a big warm up on Tuesday, wouldn't you know it, before we drop those temperatures Wednesday, Thursday, and all eyes. I know Al Pulaski's been bugging me about this one on that home opener. Rain snow mix is what I have now, but I'm being pessimistic. That's the way to do it, Sarah.
Okay, yes.